Question 5. Given that fx is ax plus b and f cube is 27x plus 13, find the value of a and of b. Okay, so if fx is ax plus b, first let's find what is f square x. F square x is the same as f of fx. Okay, so if fx is ax plus b, fx will be afx plus b. Okay, f of fx. So you have to sub the fx into this x. So we will get a fx plus b. And then we can sub in the fx. So we know fx is ax plus b. This is like inception now. So ax plus b plus b. So here we get a square x plus ab plus b. Right. And then now we can go ahead and find f cube x. We have to do the inception again. So f cube of x will be f square of fx. So we know f square x is a square x plus ab plus b. So f square fx would be a square fx ab plus b. ab plus b. So we sub in the fx, ax plus b plus ab plus b. So let's expand this. So we'll get a cube x plus a square b plus ab plus b. So now we know that this is our f cube x. Okay, so we can write this a cube x plus a square b plus ab plus b. This is now our f cube x. Okay, and they gave us the f cube x as 27x plus 13. So we can say 27x plus 13 equals to this whole thing. Let's move this here. Okay. So now we have to compare. You see, only this term has an x. So the coefficient of x, you can compare with the coefficient of x. Okay, because only this term got x. That means a cube has to be 27. And then the 13 is just a number, right? All these are numbers. Okay, these are all constants. So a square b plus ab plus b must give us 13. Okay, so from here we can solve lah. Okay, let's delete all these. So if a cube is 27, a will be the cube root of 27, which is 3. And since we know a is 3, we can sub the 3 into this a. So 3 square times b plus 3b plus b is 13. 3 square is 9. So 9b plus 3b plus b is 13. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13b is 13. Therefore, b is 13 divided by 13, giving us 1. Right. Next, they want us to find f4. Okay. So we can start working from F3. Okay, let's delete all this. We don't want all this. This one all no need. Oh, actually, wait, we do need the A and B. So F cube X can be written as 27x. A square is, oh, this whole thing is 13, right? Oh wait, actually we have this. They already gave us F cube X. So we just need to write the Fx. Fx will be 3x plus 1. Okay, A is 3, B is 1. Now we can delete all this now. Right, let's look at B. The expression of F4. So F4x will be the same as F cube Fx. So if F cube X is 27x plus 13, F cube Fx will be 27fx plus 13. So the Fx is then 3x plus 1 plus 13. So now we expand this. 27 times 3 is 81x plus 27 plus 13. So 27 plus 13 will give us 40. So we write here plus 40. So this is our F4x. Done.